In this video, you're going to see a trade I took that made me almost $7,000 in less than 30 minutes. And at the end of the video, I'm going to break it all down of exactly how I found that setup, how I took the entry, how I took the exit. And if you want me to teach you personally, click the link below.
All right, team, 20 seconds. Be at the ready here. Firm candle close and we're in this. 10 seconds. Let's see if that happens for us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Buying here. Filled at 167, team. Stop is going to be in at 146, team. Get up to about 174, team. I'll take my stop loss off. Taking my stop loss off now, team. Stop is off. And I'm going to take half there at 183. 183, team. I got filled. Stops at break even. Taking another quarter here at 190, team. If you didn't get filled, get them off, team. There they are at 190 again. Stop is going to be in at 170, team. Let's see what happens here. Nice little green trade. Good morning so far. Everybody happy with this? I hope so. I'm going to slide that stop up to 174, team. It's going to try to protect this. It's moving into all-time highs as we speak, but rejecting the old all-time, the last wick there. So, and it's in between that and the pre-market. So just going to be a little bit more conservative here and keep our money and try to move us into green for the week. And on how your size, that should do pretty well for us. Let's take this up to 180, team. Moving up to 183, team. If selling in full brings you green on the week, by all means do so. And move it to 185, team. All right, team, let's see what happens here. We're in unknown territory. Sky's the limit for this. Just going to protect this and keep as green as we possibly can. One nice little surge, team. All we want is one good surge. We'll get out of this. Get a little bit more money from SPY. Beautiful print. Going to take this up to 190, team. Taking it up to 195, team. Stop at 196, team. Just a little bit there. Come on, SPY. Give us 250. Let's go. One powerhouse move is all we need. But what a brilliant, beautiful trade this was, huh, guys? Girls? Hope you guys are happy with this one. Stop is still in. Stop to 198. Like I said, team, if selling in full puts you green on the week, please do it. Stop the $2. Stop to 205. And stopped at 205. Tell me good things, guys. How'd y'all do? Magnus, that was the pin bar you were waiting for. Look at that. 210. Please, someone still be in this. Take some more money from SPY. Jose, beautiful, awesome. Itmar, amazing. Jose, I tried, my man. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. Son, Mama Mia, that was a good one, huh? If you guys were sized correctly after yesterday's butt kicking, today should put you green for the week, or at least back to break even, depending on how you're sized. Joseph, amazingly awesome. Todd, beast, bro. I tried my best, my man. John, well done. Very happy with this trade. It's a special bonus making this money off the all-time high. It really is, John. Love that for you, man. Congrats, buddy. Raymond, you're still in it. Raymond, fantastic. Hit your weekly goal. Oh, yeah, Raymond. That is awesome when that happens on a Tuesday, bro. Isaac and Beast Mode. Thanks, man. Manny Mango, good win. I agree with you, Manny. Great win. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure you're in that, Manny. You're a beast of a trader, man. Loved your story, man, and good work, buddy. Joel, 1.9%. Eric, crushing a swing and a drive to top left and a home run. Absolutely, Eric. Two full trades in a day is hard to argue that. SPY is distributing beautifully. We're into all-time highs, the very clear respecting levels. Like nothing much more you can ask for from a trading day, buddy. But all right, team, I'm going to sign off for now. I'm not taking any more trades this morning. We're past a little bit past.
All right, guys, here is the trade that I took on August 12th that made me almost $7,000. I'm going to show you exactly how I set up those key levels. I'm going to show you how I did it in real time on my chart. I have no lines on here. This is a blank chart, and I'm going to show it to you just exactly how simple this can be. So you clearly have a level of support that has established through the pre-market ranges here at 845, at 850, and 855. It's very clear. You can see in the opening morning at 9:35 Eastern time, and also at 9:40 where it came right above that. So we're going to draw a line, and we're going to place that line right on this section. And we're going to change that line because that is a resistance line. We're going to change that to green just for easy talking points. And then I'm going to show you how I established a level of support right in this same little region due to the same pre-market level. So we'll draw that line as well. And we're going to put that one in red because if we go below it, we'll take our puts. So this level here is slightly modified, grabbing the bottom of that wicks and the top of these bodies here where that was a little bit of a resistance and then it became support. So anyways, we're going to focus on the trade that we took. So right here, you can see multiple touches through the pre-market. You can see the 2 touches in real time. And then we come up and we get above it and below it. And then we have a lot of interactions with this level here. It comes up, it almost gets above it on this candle, it comes back down, signaling that this is very clearly defined and now confirmed again in real time for the 3rd time between the pre-market and the real-time session. So I'm just going to draw you guys a little line here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, so now you can see the candle that I'm looking for with that firm candle close above it, which happened right here. This candle here at 10:55 is what we were looking for. So right here, this is the candle that we were really interested in, this one right here at the 10:55. We get that firm candle close above that. And this is going into SPY's all-time territory. The only thing that had been higher at the moment was this little wick to the left. So we get that firm candle close here. And I took entry on this and I got filled on my contracts at $1.67. And I literally traded this in very good harmony and succession. I got a really good 10% off at 183. 183 giving me a risk-free trade now. So when I sold half of my positions, my trade now goes risk-free and I brought my stop to break even. So now the worst case scenario is I got off half my positions and I'm still in a very green trade. The rest of this trade went completely up in our favor, and I was able to get another quarter of my positions off at $1.90. And then the last bit of positions, I was able to trail those up all the way into this little region here, and I was able to exit those trades at $2.05 to total out $6,900 plus on the trade, almost a $7,000 trade in just under 30 minutes of work. So if you would like me to show you this live on a day-to-day basis, click the link below to see if you qualify.